Hey everyone, tired of your Android phone's battery draining too fast? Today, I'm revealing the ultimate Play Store optimization guide to slash background activity, save mobile data, and extend battery life effortlessly. Let's get started. First, hold your finger on the Play Store icon and tap on this little circle, App Info. Then here is our usage section. The first setting, go to Storage and Cache, then click on Clear Cache to completely clear the cache. This needs to be done. Let's go back. The next setting is Battery. Go from here and set it to Restricted, so the app works in a restricted mode in the background. Basically, we don't really need this because the program works great as it is. When you open the Play Store, all updates and data are fetched. So when optimization is enabled, it's just extra background work and unnecessary battery drain. Set it to Restricted now. Let's go back. The next setting is Mobile Data. Go here. This is the most harmful settings. Using the Play Store app in the background. Just look at it. In the past month, I've used several megabytes of data. Why is this necessary? It's just extra background work that's completely useless for us as regular Android smartphone users. Disable this setting. Trust me, friends, the Play Store will work just fine without any delays. Now let's go back. We've completed the external settings. Next, enter the Play Store and at the top right, you'll see your account icon. Tap on it. Click on Settings. Go here, General. And here's the notification setting. Let's move on. I recommend completely disabling all these notifications because hardly anyone uses them and they bring little benefit. Just disable the notifications because each one wakes your smartphone in the background, leading to unnecessary consumption of your data and battery. I recommend turning off all notifications. Let's go back to General. Here we are, Network Preferences. Go here. Please look at this app auto update settings. I recommend completely disabling it. Just imagine you have say 50 or 100 apps on your smartphone. Typically developers send updates for each app 1, 2, 3 times a week. Popular apps like Facebook, TikTok are updated 2 to 3 times a week. These are very frequent updates. Disable it. And if you want to update something, go back. Tap your account icon. There's a Manage Apps and Device setting. Go here. Updates available. Enter. And just look, here's the full list of apps waiting for updates. Imagine a month has passed. Some app might have been updated 4 times in that month. I didn't do it. A month passed. I just came here, clicked Update, and the app was updated. And all the necessary updates were fetched, and the app got the latest update. Previous updates aren't automatically removed on our Android smartphones, so it's just extra background work when auto update is enabled. Almost every day, an app on your smartphone will update. The more apps, the more updates, and the more your phone will drain. I recommend turning off auto updates. It's better to update manually. For example, you can search, type YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, anything you want and update manually. It will be much better and more efficient for your phone. After this, there's one more setting. Click on your account icon. Then on Play Protect, go here and in the top right corner, click on Settings. And look, the first setting is useful. Yes, it scans your smartphone for viruses. But the second setting to help improve security, which sends unknown apps to Google for analysis, is completely useless for us as users. It's a harmful setting because it increases your smartphone's background activity. I recommend turning it off to save battery life. So, we've just completed a full optimization of the Play Store app together and it will operate much less in the background, saving battery, and everything you need will be here. Update manually, download an app or a game, and everything will work perfectly for you. I hope this video worked perfectly for you and brought you real value. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, have a great day, and good luck to everyone.